After washing your car, the next important step is drying it properly. A good drying towel keeps your car shiny, avoids water spots, and protects the paint. Two popular options are chamois and microfiber towels. Here are some main differences to help you decide which one is better. Chamois is made from natural sheepskin or synthetic rubber-like material. Microfiber towels are made from polyester and polyamide fibers. Both materials are designed for high water absorption. Chamois feels smooth and rubbery when wet. Microfiber towels are soft, fluffy, and gentle to touch. This makes microfiber safer for delicate surfaces. Chamois can absorb a lot of water, but needs frequent wringing. Microfiber towels soak up more water quickly with less effort. They save time during the drying process. Chamois works well, but may leave streaks if too dry. Microfiber towels dry surfaces evenly with fewer streaks. This gives a cleaner and shinier finish. Chamois can scratch paint if dirt gets trapped in it. Microfiber towels lift dirt safely into their fibers, reducing scratches. This protects your car's surface better. Chamois must be wet before use and can be tiring to wring. Microfiber towels are easy to use dry or damp. They are more convenient for quick cleanups. Chamois lasts long with care, but natural ones may degrade. Microfiber towels are very durable and easy to wash. They maintain quality even after many uses. Chamois is usually more costly, especially natural types. Microfiber towels are budget-friendly and often sold in sets. They offer better value for money. Chamois comes in limited sizes, needing more for big cars. Microfiber towels offer many size and shape options. You can choose the perfect towel for any task. Chamois needs special soap and air drying. Microfiber towels are machine washable and simple to maintain. They are less demanding to clean and store. Chamois takes longer to dry after use. Microfiber towels dry fast and are ready to reuse quickly. This helps during back-to-back cleaning jobs. Natural chamois is biodegradable and eco-friendly. Microfiber towels are synthetic but reusable. Using them reduces single-use waste over time. If you want something soft, easy to use, and safe for your car's paint, a microfiber towel is the better choice. On the other hand, if you like the classic feel or prefer a leather-based drying tool, a chamois might still work for you.